So, yeah, it's me. It's me. This is my first video. So please comment. Please. Please. So, I'm gonna sing you guys The Climb. This is for you guys. See, I just drawed lines. It's really good. I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming. But there's a voice inside my head saying, you'll never reach it. Every step I take. What was that? That was up above, guys. So comment down below to see if you can guess what it was up there. I'm gonna give you guys a hint. My cat loves them. She wants to marry one of them. So yeah. So I'm just gonna do like a little video or something. Cause yeah, hope you guys want to see it. Cause it's cool, yeah. So I'm just gonna rap. And this is so cool. Sarah, I hope you're watching. Sarah Clear. Sarah Clear, so yeah. You're raising on a rainbow jelly bean. I have a big chair, you have a small chair. Jealous much? What do you think of me now? So that's for you, Emma and Sarah Clear. So yeah, let's get this party started. So please comment down below my head. And I want to give a special thanks to 7 Super Girls and Rachel and Kaylin because she was the funniest. And I want to show you my cat, Mister. Come on. This is my cat, Storm. Storm, say hello to the YouTubers. Okay, I'm gonna give you a dancing cat. Woo, 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 yeah, I'm dancing, yeah. I can jump. I can fly. Whoa. Storm, it's okay. Look at the camera. Hey guys, what you doing? Hey guys, comment down below, please. Well, this owner won't stop doing this, so comment down below. Toodles!